Hey, Dustin here, coming to you from Chesterfield, New Jersey. As you can see, my guys just got done installing this Mitsubishi multi-unit, which is a heat pump with a low ambient kit that'll go down to -5 degrees at 80% capacity. What you're looking at here is the outdoor condenser. This is a full inverter system connected to two indoor air handlers. So we have one in the basement here with all brand new ductwork, all sealed and insulated on the inside. As you can see, everything's nice, clean, and straight, tucked up into the rafters. Up here in the attic, we have an air handler installed horizontally. We have a catch pan in case there's any water leaks. All the new drains. We have a hung right bracket, so you don't have any vibrations coming through your ceiling. We also have all the ductwork suspended up in the rafters, so you can crawl underneath it, so you don't completely lose all your storage space. If there's anything we can help you with, or you need more information, give us a call at 609-488-6353, or reach us at dustinsmechanical.com.